Hey, thanks for stopping by. You can see I'm in a event organizer dashboard here as I move my mouse around here in this left-hand panel. There are 309 NFL games loaded into the S3 bucket. Of those 309, there's 210 left as I drill down for the year. Today is September 28th. So let's drill into the 29th, which is game day tomorrow. And for Sunday game day, on the 12 events, I'm going to type in the Vikings. And for the Vikings, you'll see that the data set there in S3, I can click and pull up a report. They're going to be at Lambeau Field and Green Bay game. So it's always an exciting game, obviously. Make that just a little bit bigger. You'll see that I have not sent out any calendar invites at all. So the calendar invite panel for sending data out on SES, Simple Invite Service, is right here. So if I emulate what I'm going to do over here in the middle, I am going to hand off the service to VIP list. So I'm going to go back here, keep this sporty and keep this open, 210 and then the 29, and then I'm going to look for the Vikings, kind of go over it again, and review it here and show you that no invites have been sent. So I'm going to choose a file here and emulate our API. Our API is industrial strength, and it can actually send out millions of calendar invites. So as I get through this Explorer here, looking for my data set, here it is here. I have a text file with a sampling of 11 emails. And those are the 11 emails I'm going to send a calendar invite to for the Vikings game. I'm going to hide this list. I'm going to scroll down. You can see the Vikings game here at Green Bay Packers. I'm going to scroll directly down. And when I type in yes, you'll see here September 29th, 11 a.m. I'm going to send out some calendar invites for the test demo. Now, this is being sent using our calendar invite interface in the background, which you do not see. If you were to actually use our stack, you would actually see how to hook that up. Now, this calendar stack interface comes free with our stack, and it's a great overall demo test system. So that's what I'm demonstrating here. You'll see that the calendar invites are being sent to this API. The API here is lifting those calendar invites directly into here, which is this single event invitation send. We disassemble the calendar invite and we store it in Dynamo, and we call it here via this single invitation send. So let me go back to the demo, click here, and you'll see as I buy a little time, the Vikings game was sent to the first person here, Mandy. You see that Mandy at TechVader.com. She's going to say yes. And the second person here in the demo is Zach. I'm going to just click back, apologize, and I'm going to refresh here. And he should get the calendar invite. He's not received one yet. Sometimes what I don't realize is it's already been sent to him. So the way I would actually validate it's actually been sent to him is all I can do is go look for it here in the picker. So let me just type in search for him. And there it is there. Make that a little bigger, clear it. I'm going to type in Vikings, see if he's actually received a calendar invite for the Minnesota Vikings, and there it is. So I'm going to say maybe for him. So you'll see that in the data set here, as I refresh it over here, I'm going to click. There are 11 invites out, calendar invites sent with our API, and 2 replies have come back. And so those 2 replies are Zach there and Mandy. And to validate this here, this is essentially metadata if you look at it. It's not deep detailed data due to privacy. We do have a privacy email report here that can be sent back to the organizer. I'm going to click there, and you're going to see this report go to the organizer, which is footballschedules@outlook.com. Just takes a second. There it is, and I'm going to preview it, and you'll see that Zach is tentative and Mandy accepted. That's the end of the demo, and thanks for stopping by.